Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this app could not be installed. Its integrity could not be verified in iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing a this type issue that whenever you try to install any app, you find a pop-up message that this app cannot be installed because its integrity cannot be verified. So let's see some possible fixes. You just have to go back and open your settings app here. Tap on the screen time section and you have to tap on content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling all the restrictions, go back and here go for app section, go for Safari app here, and here you have to delete the browsing history and data for your Safari app because sometimes it might contain bugs or any malware, so it might get the issues like that. So you just have to look for clear history and website data and clear history from here. Once you have cleared, just look for advanced option and here you have to look for website data and disable it or delete it from here. So after doing that, you just have to go back and here go for general section, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you find any pending update, try to update your software. After that, go back, go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage up to 10 to 15 GB free in your iPhone storage here to run, install, download any app, and run it perfectly. And after doing that, if your issue is still not fixed, you have to go for transfer reset iPhone section. Tap on reset all settings from here. Enter your passcode and then select reset all settings from here. Once you have reset all settings, it will reset all settings of your iPhone to its default. So if there will be any issue with your iPhone setting, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, your issue will be fixed. This step will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this. After that, you will be able to install any app on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.